Welcome to Kanasoft Service. Today we have discussion CRM project, making of the development of the journey. This CRM project journey working together delivering customized CRM solution meet the unique requirement of the client. For demo purpose, I already added the user. I can give you better idea about the CRM. Enter the email ID, enter the password, then click on the login button. After successfully login on the portal, so you can see the various type of menu which include dashboard, contact, opportunity, calendar, task, sorts, document, reports. See the latest update in on notification. You can also manage the personal details. You can search for is any everything search. Now left hand side. Here you can see the recent items. Here you can see the contact and group details. Here you can see the reason details. Right hand side. Here you can see the task details, complete task, overdue, today and upcoming task, history. Now jump to dashboard. Here you can see the dashboard activities on portal activities. See on the same page. How many opportunity open? 6 opportunity in open. Upcoming event, 2 event upcoming. Task, today date and time, current date and time. See the history. Sorts, you can share any document and any message with internal user. See the touch details and also add the notes. Now jump to contact. Here you can manage the contact details. In case I want to create new contact, to click on the create button, getting to new pop-up, quick create and full create. And suppose I want to create for is a quick create, to click on the create button, getting new pop-up menu, select type, enter the name, enter the email ID, enter the phone number, then click on the save button. Now jump to company. Here you can manage the company details. Here you can manage the company details, and suppose I want to see the any particular records, so click on the eye icon button, getting new pop-up menu and see the company details. And you can also manage the mark and in marks, and you can also set the reminder. In case I want to changing for is any records, so click on the checking button, then click on the action button, and you can see the this type of activities. You can also download the company details CSV files. Now jump to import a CSV and MS Excel file. Here you can download the sample files, and you can also upload the drag and drop the files. Now jump to opportunity. Here you can manage the opportunity, incoming, qualified, caught, negotiation, won and lost. Suppose I want to create new opportunity, so click on the create button, getting new pop-up menu, enter the opportunity name, value, select pipeline, select stages, set the expiry date, select the source, then click on the save button. In case I want to changing for is a any particular stages, incoming part 2, code final parts, so you can drag and drop easily one stage to another stage. Now jump to calendar. Here you can manage the task and events. Suppose I want to create new events or tasks, to click on the create button, getting new pop-up menu, select event or task. So I want to create task, enter the task name, lead, select assigned person, due date, I will select 29, and then click on the save button. So you can see the 29 of lead. Now jump to task. Here you can manage the task details. Suppose I want to create new task, so click on the create button, getting task name, enter the task name, enter the assign name, then click on the save buttons. You can also filter out in task detail. Now jump to source. Here you can internally discussion with team members. In case I want any announcement for any team members, so enter the announcement hello team, then click on the share button, and team members getting message on portals, and team members giving in any comments. You can see the live streaming details, source and following details. Now jump to document. Here you can manage the document files. Suppose I want to any folders and any particular share with any users, so click on the add button, select the file from computer, click on upload button, select folder name, and then click on the save button. Now jump to personal detail. Here you can see the total number of sales, monthly result count, last month result count, this month goals, last month goals, each and every details on the graphical base. Now jump to personal setting. Manage the admin settings, enter the email ID, enter the first name, enter the last name, and select the role name, then click on the sign invitation. Now jump to custom field. You can also manage the custom field. Suppose I want to create new custom fields, lead fields, and select field types, email, and then click on the select contact. I want to see the contact details, company details, and opportunity, then click on the add button. So this button, this lead fields add in contact us, companies, and opportunity. Now jump to workflow automation. Here we have already the workflow automation we are defining. Suppose you have defined for a new workflow, so enter the workflow name, select lead, select any one options, then click on the save button, add button. You can also manage the won and lost reasons, enter the reason name, then click on the add button. Now jump to user setting. Here you can manage the user settings. You can updating for is the personal details. You can now jump to integrations. Here you can see the basically integrations, Gmail integrations, Google Calendar integration, Google Drive integrations, Drop integrations, Google Plus, and Facebook. Now jump to email category. You can also add the email category. Thank you for watching these videos, and check out these videos. If you require for any CRM development, so please contact with us. Thank you for watching video.